UCF quarterback McKenzie Milton injured his right leg in the second quarter of Friday's 38-10 victory over USF, a devastating blow for a team that has now won 24 straight games. Coach Josh Heupel did not have a specific update on Milton's condition after the game. He just said that the quarterback was in the hospital with a traumatic injury. Milton underwent surgery on Friday to repair his knee and other internal problems, according to his father, Mark. Without Milton, the UCF players said they would play for him. Milton got hurt after he got the ball and ran in a third-chance play. A multitude of defenders of the USF found him, and he received a blow to the knee. His leg twisted and bent at an awkward angle. Milton stayed down, and the crowd at the Raymond James Stadium watched in stunned silence when a car was pulled out immediately. Milton is the unquestioned leader in a UCF team that finished his second straight regular season undefeated. When heading to the USF game, Milton had thrown for 2,577 yards and 24 touchdowns in 9 starts while running for 291 yards and 9 touchdowns.